There was a king. This is how jealousy can get to a person. And he used to see a shoemaker in front of his palace every day, mending the shoes, but he's so happy. So the king called his minister and he says, I'm jealous of the shoemaker. He said, why? He said, I have the palace, I have the kingdom, I have everything, but I see him more happier than me. The minister said, that's because he did not join Club 99. So the king said, what do you mean? I don't understand. What is Club 99? He said, call him tomorrow and give him a gift of some gold coins, but give him 99 coins, not 100. So the king said, okay. So he gave him a bag full of coins. He went home and he counted these coins, gold coins. He started counting his coins. He came to 99, now he can't find 100th coin. He said, this is not possible. How can the king give 99 coins? I must have dropped one coin somewhere. So next morning the king saw him walking outside the palace, up, down, he's looking for something. So the king called the minister, he says, today he doesn't seem happy. He said, that's because he's joined the Club 99. He's looking for that extra one coin that he might have dropped or lost. Our lives are like that also. We have everything Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us, but we're still looking at that one bounty that the next person has, and we wish that that also comes to us. Yes, you can make dua, but then in terms of jealousy, in terms of hatred, my brother has this, my brother has this,